What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nour Trades, and today I bring you another special video where I talk about all the A+ setups that I like, all the setups that I don't like, all the earnings that are going on, and all the plays that actually just happened last week, and we'll go over the plays that I like this week. So let's start off with the calendar here for earnings. It's not as clear as you want it right now, so screenshot it, or you can go to Trade Like Nour. I only have 3 accounts: Nour Trades, Trade Like Nour, and StockHours. Go there, it'll be a clear picture, screenshot. I'll update you guys throughout the week whether I like things or not, update charts. So make sure you're following that. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below what other videos you'd like to see on this channel, and what other stocks that I should be looking at for this week. Also, if this video gets 200 likes or more, I'll be dropping the LA vlog tomorrow, and that'll be probably my best vlog that I've uploaded on this channel. So let's get started with this video. Monday, there's a whole bunch of stocks that I'm not really a fan of, but I know these are stocks that you guys like. For example, Chegg and NXP do move on earnings. Tuesday, we have Pfizer, we have BP, we have Under Armour, Corsair. That moves, actually. I've seen that move. T-Mobile, nothing else on Tuesday that I'm a fan of. Wednesday, Roku, CVS, Skills, Fastly, Etsy. Thursday, we have Square, Moderna, Uber, Pinterest, Airbnb. A whole bunch of things going on Thursday. Friday, usually a dead day. Oh, we have Coinbase reporting on Friday with DraftKings. So that should be a crazy one. So yeah, these are earnings for this week. Let's go ahead and talk about the plays that we have for today. Right now, the first thing, obviously, I'll just throw it out here since everybody's talking about it. Tesla is at 1128. In the past 20 days, this is up $400. It was $765 here. We're hitting 1128 here. We're probably going to open on Monday above 1150 or damn near it here. So we're already up like $14 after hours. So Tesla, I'm watching momentum. If we can open below 1150, I'll look for the momentum break at the open. For the 1150 break, target will be based on the momentum and the sentiment of the market. So if the sentiment of the market isn't really there, you don't want to get too greedy on this because the pullbacks are a little disgusting. So the next thing I'll be looking at here is Amazon. Looks a little weird here. You have a base right here. We just had earnings. They dropped pretty hard. But if you put this on the 1 year, we do have a gap. Or even if you want to put it right, yeah, on the 1 year, we do have a gap from 33.80-ish up to like 33.85. Even if I put this on the 4 hour, you guys can see we have the retracement going on. I'll be watching to see if we can break 3,400 with momentum. Amazon is just one of those things that can really move. At one point, this was down like $180, as you can see off the open, and this recovered the rest of the day. So that's Amazon. The next thing I'm looking at is NVIDIA, one of my favorites to play. This is the 257. This is all-time highs. Let's actually put this on the 1 hour for you guys. The 1 hour, you guys can see there's a trend, so don't get greedy. I'm looking at the 257 break into 260 and then watching 263 rejection. You don't want to get caught in the pullbacks and the rejections here, especially when the trends have shown you previously that they get rejected. So NVIDIA is one of those stocks that I'll be watching. Those contracts move and they're very liquid, and that's just going to be one of my top 3 plays on Monday. That's the closest, or one of the closest ones. The next one I'm watching is Affirm. On the 1 hour, you can see there's a consolidation. Flat, 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 flat. We just retested 165. We got rejected. It was really 166. And now we're consolidating again. This is a nice one. This can really move. With volume, this is going to be a big one. From 166, you have room up to 179.59. You can see there's a trend line here. So there is a lot of room for Affirm to squeeze. And based on contracts, this could be a very high percentage play. So keep an eye on Affirm. Even if I put this on, let's just say, a bigger time frame, it still looks amazing. You got double top right here. Maybe the 165 as a early entry, but as you can see on Friday, it wicked. Maybe it won't be worth trying it that early, except if it's showing some aggressive volume and buying pressure. So that's when I'll be getting in on the 165 early entry. But if I want to play it really safe, I'll just wait for this new high into the 166, room to 170. One of my favorite stocks for this week, we're almost done here, is Shopify. Even on the 4 hour it has it, but let me show you guys on the 1 year. We start from 1650. Look at this dotted line. We got rejected here in September. We got rejected here in October, and here we are at the end of October again, rejected again. I'm watching 1500. It probably won't happen Monday. Hopefully it doesn't happen Monday. Hopefully it gets close on Monday, and then we get the break on Tuesday. Contracts are going to flip. Make sure your contracts are, have volume. So you want to stick to the ones that stay liquid. So the 1500s, 1550s, 1600s. Obviously, you don't want to go crazy out the money. Some of you guys do, but make sure you keep an eye on that because the spreads are pretty wild. So Shopify, I'm looking at this downtrend break. If we can get that, first target is 1506, then it's 1520, then 1550. Shopify can move. Do not sleep on this one. Netflix. Ever since Squid Game came out, this thing has been on an absolute tear. We just broke a symmetrical wedge. I'm watching 691, and obviously we're getting very close to 700. That'll be something that I'm watching, especially if we can get closer this week and it open around 696, 697. A quick, nice push into 700. This can squeeze. So Netflix is one of those. Even on the 4-hour, it looks amazing. We broke this channel. It's ready to go. The next thing I'm watching is Google. Google right here with the inverse H possibly tomorrow from 29.73. This has room to 3,000, and this will be the first time Google touches or gets this high to around that 3,000 level. It even looks amazing on the 1 year. As you can see, we broke this flat top. We're breaking. The candle has closed above. This is a solid A+ setup that I'm watching. Same thing with these. The contracts kind of suck, so you have to be careful. Make sure you don't get it on a bad spread. You'll be down 7% off the bat, and if you're going in heavy, 7% is pretty wild. So Google's something to pay attention to. That's another one. Moderna, I haven't touched this in a while, but there is a gap for you gap players. 360, room to 376. Now it's at 345. It probably won't happen. It can probably, most likely, will just H down. But you always want to be prepared. If it does happen, I do want to make sure I get it to you. 360, room to 380. Moderna, you guys know this. I've caught this so many times. These can move. The high 4 days ago was 358. These are all my plays for this week. I'm a fan of Tesla, Nvidia, Affirm Shop, Netflix, Google. I'm honestly a fan of every single one. Moderna is like just something I got to bring up. So if you guys enjoyed that video, hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below what other stocks I should be looking at for this week. I'll see you guys. Peace.